Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about common expressions in English. To kick in, Adam is exhausted in the middle of his workday. He needs something to give him a little more energy. He needs a boost. He decides to make some coffee. Adam has his coffee. He's so excited to do some work. Now, Adam starts running around the office. He's very productive. The coffee must have kicked in. Teaching moment. Adam didn't have any energy, but after drinking his coffee, it kicked in. To kick in means to begin to have an effect. Examples. The wine started to kick in after a few glasses, and the people began to relax. I have such a headache. The painkillers haven't kicked in yet. More examples. The power went out due to the storm, but soon the generators kicked in and provided the necessary energy. A lot will change next year when the new policy kicks in. Thanks for watching Everything English with John, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more English videos.